Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Salesforce Virtual Internship Certificate. First, you will need to understand the program requirements and eligibility. Then, explore the various virtual internship tracks and specializations offered. Next, complete all the required learning modules and hands-on projects. Finally, you will pass the final assessment to successfully earn your valuable certificate. This structured approach ensures a clear path to your new credential. To begin, register for the Salesforce Virtual Internship Program through their official platform. Once enrolled, you will gain access to the comprehensive online learning environment and all necessary course materials. Actively engage with the interactive modules and practical exercises to build foundational knowledge. Remember to consistently track your progress using the program dashboard, ensuring you stay on schedule and meet all milestones effectively. This stage involves applying your newly acquired knowledge through engaging, real-world case studies. Make sure to submit all required hands-on projects for thorough evaluation by the program instructors. Dedicate time to prepare diligently for the final certification assessment, reviewing all key concepts. Your goal is to achieve a passing score, which is typically around 70%, to demonstrate your mastery of the material. Congratulations! Upon successful completion, you will receive your official Salesforce Virtual Internship Certificate. Immediately add this valuable new credential to your professional profiles, such as LinkedIn, to enhance your visibility. Actively showcase your acquired skills to potential employers and clients, opening new career doors. Consider continuing your learning journey by pursuing advanced Salesforce certifications to further specialize and grow your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.